Welcome back, guys, and look at this. Yes, guys, these are some blue crab. It might look small, but these are how blue crabs are grown, right? And let's get right into the ingredients. We have our onion powder, or mother seasoning, salt and pepper, minced garlic, and we have garlic. Yes, garlic. We have our pimento, bay leaf, thyme, and a sprung of rosemary. So let's go. Yes, guys, some of that curry powder. You know, we have to burn the curry. Everybody cook curry different, but this is how we do it, right? Get that all in there. Beautiful. Some garlic. And guys, we didn't season the crab, but we're seasoning it in the pot as we go along, right? Nice and aromatic. Lovely. Guys, place your orders right in with those blue crab. Woo. Yes, guys, look at that. In yes, guys, coming along with that onion powder, sprinkle from ice so it's evenly spread. Salt and pepper. Yes, guys. And we come in with that thyme and rosemary, bay leaf, pimento seed, and the garlic. Everything. Chef ready now. I'm going to allow this to get nice and aromatic with all the flavor coming. Look at that, guys. Lovely. Beautiful, right?
So we're going to stir up everything, make everything incorporate,
yes,
and become one, and then we'll catch you in the back soon forward.
Yes, guys, it's that time. Going to add some water to deglaze the pot and help this to simmer down. Aye. You know, seafood coming along with that Scotch bonnet sauce. Nice and aromatic. And have that hint of pepper. Yes, guys, so now I'm going to allow this to cook and absorb all this flavor. So 5 to 10 minutes and it's ready. Time. So forward. Yes, guys, look at that. Nice, like how we want it.
Ready.
So
we're going to move over to the plating station and give you the banger plating. So don't go nowhere. Watch what I go on. Remember, watch the video to the end, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
So forward. Yes, guys, start dropping them comments because it's plating time. Comment down below and tell me what you would have this with, or you would enjoy it with the rice just the same. Let me know in the comment section. Remember, share because you care. Spread the love, guys.
Over here, so first you never see this, guys. I know that, So just do the right thing. Watch out the video to the end.
Yes, guys. Now I'm going to add that crab. They smell really good, guys. Aromatic and lovely. Add the next one right there. Yes, beautiful. Sauce, 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 sauce. Yes, guys, so we had to stop the camera to clean up the plate, and now we're back with the garnish. Remember, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Leave suggestion as well. I know this is creative and different, so tell us how you feel about it in that comment section. And I just want to say thank you to everyone that took the time out to support us in our event. We really appreciate the support and the love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take a final look. Be sure to follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be over there. This is it, guys. Look at it, look at it. Take a final look. Beautiful. Until next time. Bye, foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call. DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?